Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show UK49 prediction for Saturday 7 June 2025. Today lunchtime single prediction numbers. Number 8, number 10, number 19, number 21, number 29, number 42. Now lunchtime single prediction number repeat. Number 8, number 10, number 19, number 21, number 29, number 42. Today lunchtime second prediction numbers. Number 22 and number 28, number 45, number 46, number 47, number 49. Now lunchtime second prediction number repeat. Number 22, number 28, number 45, number 46, number 47, number 49. Today lunchtime bonus ball numbers. Number 2 and number 10. Now lunchtime bonus ball number repeat. Number 2 and number 10. So friends, complete today lunchtime prediction numbers. Today time prediction for Saturday 7 June 2025. Today time single prediction numbers. Number 7, number 10, number 16, number 28, number 36, number 39. Today time single prediction number repeat. Number 7, number 10, number 16, number 36, number 39. Today time second prediction numbers. Number 8, number 18, number 26, number 40, number 47, number 48. Now time second prediction number repeat. Number 8, number 18, number 26, number 40, number 47, number 48. Now time bonus ball numbers. Number 32 and number 36. Today time bonus ball number repeat. Number 32 and number 36. So friends, complete today tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon